Okay, here we are back at it again with another one of our videos, this time for chemistry. And this time we are talking about gas laws. Gas laws. Alright? Okay, now this one is quite a long problem, looks intimidating, but if we organize it, it's not going to be that bad. It says a sample of the neon gas at a pressure of 1.08 atm fills a flask with a volume of 250 milliliters of temperature of 24 Celsius. If the gas is transferred to another flask at 37.2 at a pressure of 2.25, what is the volume of the new flask? Alright, so when dealing with gas laws, we always want our temperatures to be in kelvins. So you take your Celsius degrees and add 273 K. So for this one, we're going to take this temperature right here is going to be our T1, and we're going to take 24 degrees Celsius, and we're going to add 273 to it. So that's going to give us a temperature of 297 K. 297 K is our T1. All right, our T2 is going to be that one, because it says it's transferred to another flask. So our T2 is going to be 37.2 degrees Celsius plus 273, and that is going to be 310.2 kelvins. So that's our T2. Let's label that T2. Okay? Alright, this pressure here in ATMs is measured, that's pressure 1. This is volume 1. With volume, it's always a good idea that we have liters. So instead of 250 milliliters, we'll put 0.250 liters. Okay, and our volume 2, our pressure 2 is this one. We're looking for volume 2. There is nothing about moles in the problem, so we're going to use the combined gas law. P1 V1 over T1 equals P2 V2 over T2. Now all we have to do is insert the numbers. Insert the numbers. Well, P1 is going to be 1.08 ATMs. Okay, so we'll erase P1 and we'll put 1.08 ATM. Alright, our volume 1 is 0.250 liters, so we'll erase that and we'll put 0.250 liters. Our temperature 1 is 297 K. So that goes down there. Okay, our pressure 2 is 2.25 ATMs. So we'll start putting the numbers in here. 2.25 ATMs. Our temperature 2 on the bottom here is 310 K. And our V2 is what we don't know. Okay, here's where students tend to have the problems. You're going to cross multiply and divide. Okay, so this is going to get multiplied by the things up top. This number here is going to be down here in the denominator and multiplied by what's already there, 297. So if we can rewrite this and organize it, it should look like this. 1.08 ATMs, okay, times 0.250 liters times 310.2 kelvins over, and here's where students make this mistake, put 297K times 2.25 ATMs together in the denominator. Okay, and that will give us our V2. That will give us our V2. So if we do the calculation, 1.08 times 0.250 times 310.2 divided by what's on the bottom here, keep this together, in parentheses, and we should get 0.125 liters is volume 2. Okay, but that's a very important step. You have to keep the denominator together. You have to keep it together. If you don't do that, you don't do them together, if you can keep the denominator together in a parentheses, then you'll get a different answer. Okay?